ARC ambulance alert alarm. This is a required component for the ambulance alert alarm. First of all, we are connect to the battery on circuit board. Then connect speaker front of the battery on circuit board. Then connect alarm amplifier front on the battery on circuit board. Now you can see here, this is a 4-snap connector. This is a connect to the negative side of the battery, and connecting the 4-snap connector negative terminal of battery using 2-snap connector. Now we are connecting the 5-snap connector positive side of the battery and connecting the 5-snap connector and positive side of battery we are connecting the one slide switch. Now you can see here, this is a 3-snap connector which is connect between the alarm amplifier to 5-snap connector, and this is a 2-snap connector which is connect to the negative side of the battery and alarm amplifier. Now you can see here, this is a 2-snap connector connect to the one speaker connector to one amplifier, alarm amplifier, and one side of the speaker connect to the positive side of the 5-snap connector. Now you can see here, for completing our circuit and alarm beeping for 1-snap connector connect one side of the amplifier, and this is a complete our circuit. Final 2-snap connector circuit we are connect. Now you slide your switch and you can enjoy your ambulance alarm. Thank you friends.